In this episode, you'll learn about how to become a profitable trader without sitting in front of your charts all day.
Welcome to the Trading with Venus podcast, where we help you establish strong trading habits, generate consistent profits, and create the lifestyle you desire for yourself and your family. Now your host, Raman Gill.
Hi, I'm Raman. Welcome to the Trading with Venus podcast. Today we'll take a look at how to become a successful trader without sitting in front of your charts all day. This is something that I hear all the time. When I speak to people, first thing I hear is, I do not have time to trade. I have a full-time job, so I cannot be in front of my charts all day long. What do you suggest? Well, what I suggest is to not do that. I do not want you to sit in front of your charts all day long. I actually want you to take a different approach to trading. It is a good thing that you have something else going in your life. You have a full-time job or other obligations that keep you away from charts all day. And the reason I say that is because there is a direct relationship between the frequency of trading and the amount of profit you make. The more you trade, the less your profits. It's kind of backwards, right? You would think it would be the other way, but it's not. So let's take a look at what do we need to do in order to be profitable traders without spending all day looking at charts. So the first thing is to prepare in advance. So instead of going to the charts and then just randomly deciding on taking a trade, let's take a little bit of time to prepare ahead of time. So here we are going to take a look at our overall market. So we start with the overall market, what's going on in the markets, what's impacting the prices right now, and then we drill down. So then we take a look at our charts. What's happening in the charts, what levels are the prices at, and what kind of news is coming out, where do we see the trade setups, and where do we expect the price to go from here. Now, we do this in our Trade Vault service that I provide. We look at 20 some different pairs and we look at what are the strongest currencies that are showing us the setups. But you can totally do this on your own. If you would like to join me, there will be a link below the video that you can click on to join the Trade Vault and do this analysis live with me. I do it every single day, Monday to Thursday, so that we are preparing for the following day. But make sure you do this. You want to know what's going on in the market because based on that, you can choose what trade to take. For example, if you're going to be leaving your house, first thing you want to do is check the weather or look outside, because if you see a lot of dark clouds, you want to make sure you have umbrella with you so you don't get soaked. Same way in trading as well. If we see a lot of dark clouds, we see a lot of central bankers speaking, we see ECB and we see FOMC, non-farm payrolls, those are dark clouds for our Forex trading and usually do not lead to profits. Best thing is to avoid them or take an umbrella so we protect our capital. Conservation of capital is the most important thing that we need to learn about trading. Next thing is not putting all your money in a single trade. Now there's a reason I look at 20 some different pairs because I like to diversify. Now if you are a beginner and you're looking to master a single pair, I highly recommend that. Do that. But again, take a smaller position size because you are now putting all your money on a single trade. But if you are a little bit more advanced, you can look at multiple different pairs. I recommend looking at 3 different ones. So one of them will give you a good trade setup that you can trade. So look at different pairs and then pick the best one to trade and do not put all the money in there. What you can do is diversify in 3 different pairs. For example, take 1/3 of your position size and put it in one, and then 1/3 in the second and 1/3 in the last one. So this way, if one of them moves in the opposite direction to what you were expecting, at least you have 2 trades that will be successful. So you can diversify this way. So just to recap, make sure you are aware of the overall market. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, all your money on one trade. We're not playing roulette here, red or black. we are trading, so this is a planned risk-taking exercise. So we have to make sure we spread our risk a little bit so we don't just sink everything into one. And third one is that even though you may see a lot of different setups, don't take all of them. Make sure you keep your risk down, your position size down, because preservation of capital, like I said, is the most important thing in trading. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. And if you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe below. I'll see you next time.
If you want consistency in your trading, we invite you to join our daily market analysis calls, where we provide the levels to find the best entries and targets on an intraday basis. For a 1-week free trial, please visit www.tradingwithvenus.com. Thanks for joining us today. With much gratitude, your show host, Raman Gill.